gonna clean cars later today at Touchless Car Wash, but I just kind of prefer, the weather outside today is insane. I haven't had weather like this in a while, so I'm gonna try to take advantage of it. We're about to scrape. I don't know if you guys heard that. I was backing out the driveway, and we scraped pretty rough. And now it doesn't want to get in first gear. All right, we're good. Owning a C5 is quite the experience. But yeah, the weather's nice, and I feel like cleaning the car myself today. So we're gonna do a little hand wash, and then I'll probably go to the car wash with the guys and just not get my car washed. I'll just park it there. It'll be like a little car meet. I don't have any wheel cleaner, so I'm gonna go grab a bottle of that and see if maybe there's any like pre-Black Friday deals. All right, boys, we just got here. We'll see what they have in stock, and I'll show you guys what I pick up. All right, boys, we just picked up our stuff. I'll show you in a bit more detail later. We got wheel and tire, and there's a sick F82 to throw a clip up now. We got the stuff. He had a YouTube and Instagram on it. I'll probably look him up later and see. Maybe I can get together with him one day to record something. His car looks beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna head back now. I'll see if I can get some of the driving footage back. Let's go. And we are on the way. This is such a steep hill. The video does not do it justice. Oh God. It's almost like my driveway. Okay, what is this guy waiting for, bro? Almost launched the phone down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, don't mind the fit right now. I know I look goofy as hell. This is the setup. Foam cannon. That's the soap we about to use. I don't know if you can even see that. Let's see. Yeah, about to use this soap. And then I'm just gonna go with the Armor All wheel and tire cleaner for today. And then I've got a mitt for the rims, wheel well cleaner, and a brush. That's one bucket, and then the next bucket will be microfiber sponges for the actual car's soap down, rub down. Let's do it. Step one, fill the buckets with water, so let's do that, and then I'll connect the pressure washer. Water's not on. Now it should work better. Add a splash of soap in that while it's going. I usually do one bucket for the car's body and one bucket for the wheels, just because the wheels are always going to be obscenely dirty. All right, we got the 2 buckets filled up now. Next up, connecting the pressure washer and rinsing the car down once, get that overhanging layer of dirt off. Then we're gonna soap it, rinse that off, and then we're gonna soap it again and give the car a wipe down. All that after the wheels too, of course. The wheels are gonna be first. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, good. Hose is connected. Next I gotta connect the outlet itself. So let's do that. All right, quick walk around. Show you guys how filthy this thing is. I drove it all night in the rain yesterday, so it got even worse. The perks of having a red car is you can't really tell that it's dirty until you get like a really close look. But like you can see, there's a good layer of this. The back is really bad. The back is always bad on these though. Doesn't matter when I wash it. It's just nice thick layer of grime on the whole car. Yeah, we're gonna get that cleaned up now. All right, boys, just like that, we finished cleaning up the wheels. Neighbor's kids came over, so I didn't want to record them. But yeah, the wheels are clean. Now I'm gonna rinse it down once, get the body really dust free, and then hit it with soap and rinse it again. Let's get that going. Angle change. Now for the front part, we're gonna get the soap in the foam can. I don't really measure, just eyeballing it. That should be good. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we're just rinsing down the first rinse down, and then I'm gonna soap it one more time and wipe it down. right, that's it. Now it's time for the wipe down. Let's go ahead and grab our sponges from the soapy bucket. And you start on top of the car and kind of work your way down slowly. Working long, straight lines, not little swirls. And make sure you keep wetting the sponge so you're not just using the same soapy water. So what I'm trying here is I'm using this wheel and tire cleaner to see if that'll get rid of some of that carbon buildup within the exhaust tips. The first time I did it, I used the baking soda solution, which worked fine, but it's a little more effort than just spraying something on it like this. But all right, boys, car is pretty much just clean. I didn't really get to record it the way I wanted to because the neighbor's kids were outside and I didn't want to record the kids, but she's shining, she's looking good. Let me pause this, turn it around. Yeah, she's shining, she's looking good. Wheels are bright. Paint looks about as good as 22-year-old paint can look. It kind of worked on the exhaust tips in the back, if you can see here. A little of the chrome would turn to the inside. They're gonna turn black within like an hour, but that's fine. Rear bumper's clean. Pretty good. All right, guys. I forgot to record an outro again. No mic this time, so sorry about the audio. But yeah, here's the outro. If you enjoyed that video, you made it this far, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want for some future videos in the comments below. And yeah, I look forward to making some more videos.